Hi friends, subscribe my channel and give minimum 10,000 likes. Interesting facts about kissing. Kissing is a culmination of the rush of emotions we get when something or someone absolutely overwhelms us. It could be passionate or sexual, a sign of social behavior, a mark of excitement, a common expression of excitement shared by two people. But did you know kissing has a lot to it than just a passionate moment between a couple? Kissing someone for the first time causes you to experience an increase in your dopamine level. Dopamine is an organic chemical present in our bodies that act as neurotransmitter. Therefore, when you kiss a person for the first time, dopamine urges you to want more. Furthermore, it also triggers insomnia, loss of hunger, and spike in energy level. Kissing someone makes your heart beat faster and pumps more oxygen to your brain. When you kiss someone, your brain conveys signals to the adrenal gland that in return releases hormones like adrenaline, epinephrine and norepinephrine. These hormones pass through the blood and triggers your heart to beat faster and also send more blood to your brain. One single kiss requires the use of several muscles. As many as 112 postural muscles and 34 facial muscles are used when you kiss someone. Quite a workout. Locking of lips and rolling of tongue together helps preventing tooth decay. While kissing, the saliva flow is greatly enhanced that in return helps in cleaning food particles from in between your teeth as well as protect your tooth enamel. Kissing causes your pupil to dilate, which is why you mostly tend to close your eyes when locking lips. The excitement related to a smooch triggers your nervous system to automatically respond to it that in turn dilates your pupils. This happens because the nervous system allows light to penetrate your eyes, making them more sensitive and so you close them. Often known as the love hormone, oxytocin level sees massive spike in a kiss due to its connection to the feelings of attachment and intimacy. When you are in a long-term relationship, the dopamine level decreases after the initial period. However, it is oxytocin that maintains the love in your relationship because of its connection to feelings. Kissing triggers the release of endorphins that provides a feeling of euphoria. The moment you lock lips with someone, endorphins are released from the pituitary gland and hypothalamus of your body. The peptides increase feeling of emotion and affection, making you happy after the kiss. Of the 12 cranial nerves, 5 are involved in one kiss. These cranial nerves help in transferring signals between you and the person you are kissing. It is a way your brain assembles as much information as possible about the other person. While kissing, a guy passes on testosterone, the male sex hormone. Transmission of testosterone in your body triggers you to get turned on as it causes libido. Therefore, guys use this technique through French kissing, also known as open mouth kissing, to get you more turned on. 1 minute of kissing can help you lose 2 to 3 calories. Kissing enhances your metabolic rate, thus triggering your body to burn calories. The longer the kiss, the more calories you lose. Kissing helps your body to become resistant to allergy. Locking lips causes you to swap about 300 kinds of bacteria with your partner. These living bacteria in your and your partner's body help you fight infections better and also shield against allergies, especially in the flu season. Kissing contributes to decreasing your stress hormone cortisol. Spike in cortisol levels has a negative effect on your brain health and immune system. Kissing boosts feeling of happiness and more significantly relaxation in your body, thus keeping the stress hormone in check. Besides endorphins, kissing also triggers the release of adrenaline. While adrenaline reduces your feelings of pain, endorphins boost feeling of happiness and emotion in your body, thereby making you feel safe and secure. While kissing someone new, you exchange about 80 million different kinds of microbes. Long-term relationship make you and your partner share a common microbe medium due to the consistent kissing for years. The first non-romantic kiss dates back to 5th century BC. Erotic kissing was first mentioned in the Kama Sutra. However, it went out of style after Rome fell. Eventually, in the 11th century, when the idea of courtship gained popularity, the erotic kissing came back into style again. While 90% of the world's cultures share kiss, 10% don't. Some regions in Sudan believe that mouth is the path to one's soul, so they avoid kissing, fearing that their souls will get stolen from mouth-to-mouth touch. Kissing reduces blood pressure. When you kiss someone, the feelings of happiness and increase of heartbeats make your blood vessels to expand widely, thereby decreasing blood pressure. A king once decreed that kissing be outlawed. On July 16, 1439, King Henry VI banned kissing in England. His reasoning: it was to curtail the spread of disease in the kingdom. This went on to spur a lot of other weird smooching bans all over the world. Later in 16th century Naples, not only was kissing in public banned, but it was punishable by death as well. People make careers out of the science of kissing. Just in case you were so into kissing that you wanted to make a career out of it, the study of kissing is better known as philematology, and someone who studies kissing wears the title of osculologist. Kissing saves lives. A famous study once determined that men who get a peck on the cheek from their wives before heading out to work lived 5 years longer than their kissless counterparts. Kissing can make your skin glow. Kissing someone increases blood flow to your face, working a number of facial muscles in the process. That extra blood flow stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, proteins that leave your skin all glow-like and youthful looking. Most people lean to the right when they kiss. A 2017 study published in the journal Scientific Reports found that most people tilt their head to the right when they go to kiss someone, and they don't even realize they are doing it. Our brains can synchronize during a kiss. Kissing is also an excellent way to bond with your partner. Research from 2014 found that when people kiss on the lips, their brain activity spikes and harmonizes. This synchronization helps our brains understand each other better. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button. See you again.